Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So we've got a new gaming video for today. So gaming vlog. So right over here is of my PlayStation physical media games, right? So I got some right over here from CD bag, which is all of my PlayStation 4 physical media games right over here. And also got right over here is all of my PlayStation 2 games here. In this case, I still need to put this in a CD bag, right? So just like this one right over here. So it's because it is not because all of my PlayStation 2 game CDs is not gonna be fit in here. So just only a couple of sleeves that it can put it on, right? So yeah, so okay, without further ado, let's go to start up. So I have my I think how many Black Hawk Down I have. So I think I only have one Black Hawk Down right over here, which is also a really good one because I really love playing this one. So I already played this one in a PC. I think I don't know how many years is that one. So since I already enjoying this in a PC also, right? So yeah, it is a really good game also. Yeah, a campaign mode in a PC, which is I really enjoyed it a lot. So I think back when I was still in high school, right? So yeah, I always play the Delta Force Black Hawk Down in the PC. Alright, so next is also right over here. I got also the Need for Speed Underground 2. Okay, Need for Speed Underground. So I think this is the part 1 of the Need for Speed. And also I also played the Underground 2 in a PC. I also have a CD software for the Need for Speed Underground 2. So this one right here is the Need for Speed Underground 1, right? Okay. So next is also I've got some Call of Duty. So I think how much Call of Duty I have. So I forgot. So I think I only have one Call of Duty. So I've got read the Call of Duty Finest Hours, right? It is also and it's also got a cheaper price. So all of these PlayStation 2 games are so cheap, right? So yeah, and I can buy it, so playing in a campaign mode for this one, story mode is a really good game. And also so and also I also play this in my PlayStation Portable, which I also have it in my PlayStation Portable. It's a really good game also, right? So yeah, and it's in every this one is they have a memory card, right? So it does not have a memory card for this one. So I think for the one memory card, I think all of the games. This is also I have this Madden NFL 2006. I still haven't played this one, right? So I still haven't played this one, but I just play. I forgot, so I just play games of it. So how to play the game, right? So we've got right here is the Madden NFL 2006, and it's also So I really I still don't have time to play, right? So yes, and it's also right over here is also I've got my Gran Turismo 3, right? So we've got the A spec, and it's also just only for $6, right? So yeah, that's quite a good game also, right? So yeah, for me, I don't want to calculate any prices of that I have right? Because I am not like that kind of a person calculated the price. Okay, so right over here we got that Gran Turismo 3 over here, right? So and it's also got some Battlefield 2 Modern Combat right over here. So I just bought this on a thrift store. I think so before, and also it gets a manual also, right? So I'm gonna have to make a quick recap for this one, right? So yeah, and it's also I bought this on a thrift store. Okay, I forgot how part of it one. Okay, in a pawn shop, right? So we've got right over here is Tekken Tag Tournament, which only for 11. Okay, not bad. Okay, but it's still a good one also, right? Tekken Tag Tournament, and it's also a good game also. Yeah, all of these CD keys for the PlayStation 2 are so heavy, right? So yeah, and also I've got the Ghost Recon over here, which I have two Ghost Recon right over here. So we've got the Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon 1, I think this is a part 1, and also I also got the Ghost Recon part 2 right over here. Yeah, and it's also, yeah, I still haven't played this one. I still haven't played this up, so yeah, I'm so busy because I am so busy, right? Okay, and yeah, I saw some gameplays for this one. It's a good. It's also, and also this is came from also from our novel, right? So there's a name, the person right over here, the author I think is Tom Clancy's, right? So Tom Clancy. So right, I think this is from the novel, right? So, and it's also right over here we've got some Tom Cruise. Mission Impossible, right? Operation Surma. So I haven't played this one yet. Yeah, but yeah, I just played this one, but you know I haven't finished it yet. Yeah, right. So yeah, it's a good one. So okay, I've got a good take. When we got right over here is the CD, and we've got also the manual right over here, right? So, and also for the Ghost Recon, so we've got right here the CD and also the manual, right? Okay, so manual is real. I think you what is this called? Manual is very important, right? So yeah, if you wanted to buy, be sure that it has a manual on it, right? So yeah, we got right over here is the manual and the CD, right? And it's also for the for the Tekken Tag Tournament. So we've got right here the CD and the manual, right? So, and also right over here we've got the Battlefield 2 Modern Combat. Yeah, and also has the manual right over here. Yeah, so one thing if you wanted to have a physical media or PlayStation 2 or yeah, PlayStation 2, make sure that there's a manual on it. But you know right here it's the Gran Turismo, there's no manual on here, right? So yeah, okay. And also we've got the NFL, okay, Madden, and they got also the manual right over there, right? So, and also this one, the Call of Duty, yeah, still, why is it so heavy? It's because I think of the manual, I think, right? So let me check also the manual. Yeah, it really, yeah, it really this one, right? Like that, yeah, Tony Hawk's Underground 2. Oh, okay, that one. Yeah, okay. So I don't know why it's so heavy, right? So I think this because of the manual, right? So, and also for the Need for Speed Underground, we've got the manual also right over there. Yeah, and also right here is the for the Black Hawk Down. Yeah, I also has the manual. So, and also right over here is the last one. I got all my PlayStation 4 CDs right over here. I got the PlayStation 4 CDs right here. Alright, so we've got the Uncharted. So we got the Uncharted 4, A Thief's End, right? So, and then we've got the Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and also I've got the Destiny. And we've got the Storm, Naruto to Boruto Storm 4. We've got the Destiny 2. And then also we've got the Battlefield 2024, and also I've got the Destiny right over here, another Destiny, and also right over here is the Mortal Kombat. Yeah, and also Space right here, but you know I cannot put any more. I cannot put anymore for the PlayStation 2 CDs, right? So I think I'm gonna have to have you know, I'm gonna have to have a separate CD bag for my PlayStation 2 games, right? And also I also have what is the Injustice 2, which is in my PlayStation 4 console, right? So alright, so yeah, I think that's it for my vlog for today, and also I hope you enjoy watching, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of the upcoming future videos. Okay, so stay tuned, is because I'm giving you some of my good stuffs here in my channel. Okay, so right, so either it's not new, either it's not new, or either I'm because sometimes I just want to share all my stuffs right here in my channel, right? So yeah, either unboxing or anything, yeah, gears and gadgets, techs and gadgets, gifts and gadgets like that one. So yeah, here and also some physical media collections right here in my channel. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and also please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, so this stay tuned is because, you know, I'm gonna give you, okay, new vlogs here every day here in my channel. Okay, so thank you, and see you again on the next one.